We use these Affresh cleaning tablets to clean our washing machine. This pouch contains 3 tablets, but you can also get these in a 5 pack or a 6 pack. What I really like about the pouch packaging is that the tablets are individually wrapped, but they are also packed in this resealable pouch. We do a load a week and use these with our front load LG washing machine once every other month to remove odors and built up grime. Once you open the wrapper, you can pop the tablet inside your empty washing machine. It will be a bit crumbly, which will make it easy to dissolve in water. Once the tablet is inside your washing machine, turn your washing machine on and set it to tub clean. When you're ready, start up the machine. Your machine will start spinning and releasing water into the washer, which will help gradually dissolve the tablet while it starts to clean. From there, we just walk away and go about our day, as it does take about an hour and a half for our washing machine to complete the entire cleaning cycle. It will clean everything from the washing machine pump and valve, behind the basket and drum, the wash tub, agitator, filter, and the drain hose. When the cleaning cycle is done, the door will be wet, so we just take a paper towel or rag to wipe it dry, and you can really smell the difference too. The machine has a very clean, fresh scent, but it's not overpowering.